Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas episode 46. Now today is something a little bit different. I purchased this wooden heart, which my painting job on the outside's kind of cruddy, from Target back in February. And when we went to the quilt show this past weekend, I found the cutest buttons. And these are from Buttons Galore and More. I will leave their website linked down below. These bags buttons were $6.99 each, and look at these colors. And I was like, what can I put them on? Well, I remembered I had this, and this was $3 at Target. And I was like, that would be absolutely adorable to glue the buttons on to make a button plaque, because like my mother-in-law, she sews. So this is something that would be a great Christmas gift for your crafters. Doesn't require any vinyl. All that you need for it is whatever you're going to glue your buttons to. You can do a letter, you can do a wooden heart like this, you can do a cross, whatever you want to use. So you're going to need your piece of wood, and this was originally painted red, but it didn't match the buttons, so I went ahead and painted it with the light magenta just around the outside, and because you're not going to see where the paint got over, so it really doesn't matter that it wasn't perfectly painted. So you're going to need that, your buttons, which I think this was the summertime mix. Yeah, this is the summertime mix from Buttons Galore, and I will leave them linked down below. I purchased all this stuff with my own money. This is not sponsored, so if you purchase from them, it's awesome. If not, I'm sure they sell buttons at Amazon and Hobby Lobby. It's just they had this booth and they had some awesome stuff. So you're also gonna need your glue gun and glue sticks. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see everything that we are going to do. Okay, so my glue stick's heated up. My glue gun is heated up. It has a a glue stick in it, and I've already actually glued most of the buttons on here, and the process is pretty simple. It is just all about layering. As you can see, it looks pretty good so far, but we have to finish it off, so I wanted to show you what it looked like finished. And before I painted it, I did remove the rope out of it. So all that we are doing is just making layers of buttons. And you can grab any button that you're wanting to at that moment. Sometimes they will stick to your fingers because you are working with glue sticks. But yeah, it's just all about layers. And the end product is so cute. And you can do this with anything, whether it be buttons or flowers. You can do it, as I said, on any shape, whether it be cross, a letter. But this is one of those gifts that even if you're not crafty, you can do. Because I can't sew, but I adore buttons. Let's glue some little ones in here. And once it's dry, it is very, very, very sturdy. Now I'm just kind of looking back over to see any areas that might need a button, just to make sure it is good and layered. Let me grab another glue stick. My glue gun, whenever it gets low on glue sticks, popped my glue stick right out of there. Doesn't want to push any glue through. But as I said, this is all just about layering. And I really like these button sets because you get a real good mix of different types of buttons. There we go. And you just kind of want to make sure the entire area is covered. I have a mess everywhere. Needs to be a button right there. And so once this is all good and dry, so as you can see, this is what it looks like so far. You'll just want to go back and remove the little stringies. And you know how easy those are to remove whenever you're dealing with glue sticks. So, tell me that would not make the perfect gift for any, how's that?
Oh, you're on fine.
Okay, so tell me that would not make the perfect gift for any crafter in your life. If you have a mother-in-law, a grandma, anybody who sews, this is a great project. And it is not super expensive. As I said, the 2 packs of buttons were $6.99 each, and I pretty much used a whole pack, maybe a little over, because I filled this in. And this is a big, it's bigger than my head. It is a big heart. But you can use whatever you want to. And if you have maybe your grandma's old buttons or something like that, you could take and make something like this and give it as a gift. It would be a wonderful, wonderful keepsake. And it's not anything super difficult or super hard. Anybody can do it. Are you looking at all the... He's making fun of all my strings. But as crafters know, the glue stick strings are so easy to get rid of. Just peel them off. But yeah, that's simple. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe right down below. We have a new video every single day through December the 21st, which is when we leave for Disney. Check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher. And if there's any videos, things that you want to see crafted, leave it in the comments down below. So, because even if we don't get to it for Craftmas, we have a whole year's worth of project before Craftmas starts again. So I guess that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.